Hello everyone, my name is Owen, and our project is called Kunkunn Green Power. It's about a dormitory low carbon energy saving program. First, to start today's presentation, I have a question for all of you. Have you noticed how your electricity bill has increased? I believe you may have different answers about this. Let me tell you about a story that happened in last semester. One of my friends paid about 1,000 MOP for the electricity bill for only one semester. That is really incredible. But why he gets such amount electricity bill? I believe he don't want to make that much electricity bills. So the main reason about this issue is his lack of real-time feedback about his electricity usage. So we launched our project. This is our project overview. Our project is about a 4-in-1 model. And the first one is about AC temperature standardizations. And we know in our campus, you use the air conditioner the most of the times because the climate in Macau is very hot, usually in April till November. So you may use a lot of electricity through air conditioner. And also the air conditioner, the consumption of the electricity of the air conditioner is also in a high position. So we do this AC temperature standardization. We will paste a little poster and stick on the wall to advocate everybody to set their temperature at 25 centigrades. This is because the Macau government suggests us to set our air conditioner into 25 centigrades. And our second one and the third one is actually combined together. This is about a smart meter. We use this smart meter to detect some abnormal usage, like unattended air conditioner. So when you leave your room, but you forget to turn your air conditioner off. So we use this smart meter to detect such abnormal usage. And then automatically, we send an alert email to your personal email. And the fourth one is about an SDG7 and 13 workshop. These workshops will invite some of the professor who is majoring in the energy saving. We will invite this professor to give us some of the tips of energy saving in our daily life. And this is our 4 initial goals. It's about visualize use to end low carbon behavior, lightweight management, and student engagement. This is our background and the market needs of our project, and this is why we launched this project. First is about the politics background. The SDG7 and 13 required us to have affordable and clean energy, and the 13 is about climate action. So why this project is close to the climate actions? Let me have a little bit explanation. Since when we use the electricity, most of the electricity is generated by the fossil fuel, like coal. So when we reduce our electricity usage, we may not need to generate such amount of the electricity. So the final one, we will reduce the cost. We will reduce the usage of the coal and the fossil fuel. And we know that we burn the fossil fuels, we will generate some of the carbon dioxide to cause the global warming. Also for the acid rain, it's also caused by the burning of the fossil fuel. And also, our university and the Macau governments required us to have a sustainable development. And the second, they advocate us to have a smart campus construction. And now, in the global trends, other universities implementing dormitory energy saving program. And the second, now our young people have become the core force in low carbon actions. For in our campus, we have three these pain points, like just I mentioned before. We have a unattended air conditioner and life on lights and standby power consumption. And the second, our students' lack of real-time feedback. And the third one, our college lack of low-cost and quantifiable energy-saving tools. This is our motivation and our ambitions. So why we do this project is because of these 5 reasons. First, we hope to reduce the cost and the emissions of the carbon dioxide. Second, to empower our students, to give some of the tips to help them to reduce their electricity use, to the friends I mentioned before, to reduce his electricity bills. And the third one, to build a SDG7 and a 13 benchmark for our school. And the fourth one, we hope our project will use just a simple technology, but to make a big impact. And the fifth one, we want to build a replicable models. And our ambitions of this project is to be the first demonstration project, and then to be a Macau-wide solution. And we hope our project can have a measurable impact, like we set our goals about annual energy saving rates of more than 10%. And we hope our project can change our students' behavior. We hope our project can fund slogans into students' daily behavior. This is our core advantage and competitive moat. So there are 5 key features of our project that lead to our uncopyable advantage. So the first one is we use ultra simple tech. We use some of the Excel to collect data, and we use the smart meter. That's very simple tech. And this leads to autonomous operation in a low cost, because we just use a simple tech, and it's sustainable and self-reinforcing. And the second, we have reusable electricity use and timely alert, which make our project to be demonstrable and award applicable results aligning with international standards. And the third one, we combine action, data, education, and culture together, which make our project to become a Trinity closed loop. We have unique data and education creating sustainable impact. And it can accumulate data assets. It's real electricity data from our college. This is our uncopyable advantage since we can get the real electricity data from our CKLC. And the last two fixtures make our project to have deeply adapt to our dormitory structure. It's tailored to our CKLC. And this is implementation framework about our project. And the first ones, we paste the 25 centigrade energy saving stickers to our wall to advocate our students to set their air conditioner temperatures into 25 centigrades. And the second and the third is combined together. We use the smart meters to monitoring our electricity use. We send abnormal usage alert to our students. The fourth one is energy saving point systems. Yeah, we hope our project can enhance our students' awareness of energy saving. So we get this energy saving point systems. When you have less electricity use, you will get higher points. And you can use these points to buy some of our college souvenirs. And the fifth one is the SDG theme workshops. This is about some of the professors will share their energy saving tips. And we hope this can combine education and engagement together. And the sixth one is monthly energy saving style. It's like the same as the fourth one. We evaluation and recognitions of top performing dormitory and students once a month. And we give them some certificates like a monthly energy saving style to give them recognitions. Yeah, this is our technology stack. It's about, first we use smart Wi-Fi electricity meters. And this plug and play device is requiring to technical expertise. And second one, we use QR code tracking display board. This mainly uses in the SDG theme workshop. And Excel and Google Sheet, we use them to collect data and analyze data. And the fourth ones, we use carbon conventional formula, like when we save 1 kilowatt hours, we will reduce the emission of carbon dioxide about 0.785. And the fifth one, we use autonomic email notification to alert our students. This is about our business flywheels. We use smart meters so that students can visualize electricity use, and then to be visualizations, they can get positive energy saving. And when you save in the energy, you can get more points. And you get more points will increase your motivation. And then we can get better project data. And then the strong data, you can get win awards and sports, then resources, and again and again. This is our strategy goals and the timeline. In short term, within 3 months, we hope our project can launch in one building or in one floor of our dormitory. And we will install our smart meter and establish a large mechanism. And third, we launch the energy saving star selections. And in midterms, we hope we'll cover all the dormitories in our CKLC and achieve energy saving rate of 10% to 15%. For long term, we hope our project to expand to multiple colleges and become a benchmark for SDG 7 and 13 project. And the third one, to explore replicable solutions to other institutions. And this is about a monthly implementation timetable. And this is our financial projection team and our team structures. The cost of our project is very low, since we only cost for the gifts and the souvenirs we buy to praise the monthly energy saving stars. And our printing and the material, this usage in our AC standardizations. So in total, this is a low-cost campus project. And when revenue streams, we can get monthly electricity saving. And when we're saving the energy, we can reduce our carbon footprint. And our benefits is a lot. So they can give us some brand value and SDG outcomes. Our ROI projection is cost recovery within 6 to 12 months through electricity saving, long-term true savings plus environmental impact plus our brand value. Our team structure is about a project leader and the operation team and the promotion team. The project leader will do the overall planning and roadshow and college action. And our operation teams will thoroughly launch this project. They will do the data statistics and alert sendings and the activity execution. Our promotion team will design the air conditioner poster, will design the air conditioner standardization, and the public announcements and the notifications. And if you are interested in our project, you can scan this QR code to join us.
Okay, thank you for sharing. Now is the Q&A session. So, any volunteers?
Hello, I want to ask, would you use a smart plug or app to help you save electricity? Why or why not?
We will use this mini program like when we let me go back to the PPT. When we use this Excel and Google Sheet for data analysis, if we are strong enough, our operation team was strong enough, can launch such mini program. It will help us to do the data analysis, also will help us to the data collections. So I think if our operation team was strong enough, we will use this mini program to help us. And I think this is a very effective way to help us to achieve our ambitions.
Okay, thank you. And another question. What is one thing the school could do to encourage students to save electricity in dorms?
And also, I think that in our project, we do the ARC standardizations. We stick the poster on the wall. I think also in our universities, we can do such things in our university. Our university can also do these things to stick a little poster on the wall, like to advocate our university to set their air conditioner at the 25 centigrade. Also, I think our university can still give us some of the smart meter to support us to do such project. That will help a lot.
Okay, thank you. And the last question, do you usually check how much electricity your dorm uses every month?
Actually, I will not check since we are lack of this real-time feedback. Maybe we just can know now in our university, we just can know how you use your electricity about one semester. In the last of the semester, the office will give you electricity bill. And you don't know why you use that amount. Like just I mentioned before, one of my friends used about 1,000 mop for his electricity bills. So now our campus lack of this real-time feedback that make you don't notice your electricity bill. So that is why we launched this project. This project will set a real-time feedback that make you can notice your electricity use in once a month. Like this, my answers.
Okay, thank you. No more questions.
Okay, any other volunteers? That's a good idea. And I want to know your plans already start yet? And how is the progress now?
The progress is now about we are selecting our smart meter. Since we know that if we select some smart meters that still use a lot of electricity, our project cannot be operate smoothly. Since we use a high electricity usage smart meters, that cannot reduce our project. So we are not in selecting our smart meter, and also we are lack of some of the people to form our operation team. So now there's our there's our need. We also now to advocate some people to join our programs to be the operation team of our project. And that's all.
Okay, thank you today. And that's all.